Big Dre, Mr. Crypto Jug, back with the latest and greatest. So this is going to be an After Earth.io video. So on the website, there was a lot of talks about a countdown happening, and we all didn't know what was actually going to happen. So now I've come onto the After Earth.io website, and as you can see, the website has completely changed. Before we go any further, make sure you click that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to see more After Earth.io videos, put After Earth in the comment section. And also, as you see here on the top left, I'm going to highlight it, they've changed the logo as well. So before it was just A and E together, but now as you see, they've made it a bit more animated, which I think looks good. It looks nice. You know, let me know what you think in the comments. Like, do you think this looks better than the previous one? You know, do you think this is a better upgrade? Like, you know, let me know what you think in the comments about that new logo. So if we click on this now, what else does it say? Let's explore it a little bit more. Let's go on the about section. See, they've really changed the graphics on this. See the way it just opened up. Alright, so boom, let's have a look. So look, they've got the about us page. You know, you look, pause the video, have a read through that. I think it's pretty much the same. The team development roadmap, I think this is pretty much the same. Let's have a look. So the growth orientated, ownership mindset, respect for everyone. And as you guys saw the video I made before, it looks like it's still the same. So if you guys saw the video I made about, you know, meet the team and their roadmap, let's have a look at the roadmap quickly. It might be this one. Yeah, I think this is it. Obviously, this looks a bit different now, but there you go. The vision, creating the possibilities, envision the digital world, blah 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 blah. Obviously, the metaverse. Right, so now let's look at the next thing that they put up. Where is it about again? Career. Now, what is this? Oh, no page found for that one. All right, I guess that one's still in the works. So what I'm gonna do next is jump straight into, log straight in, and then we're gonna go back and look at it again. Okay, so we're gonna dive straight back in. As you see on the side, we got a few options. So the next one that I click is My Offers. So as we know, they've now implemented a system where you can actually bid on a property. So before, we had to just, put whoever buying our price and just buy it. Whereas now they put an option for us to actually bid, which is actually be good for giveaways and things like that, especially for people like me who own channels and want to actually be doing tile giveaways and things like that. So I think it's a great feature. I don't know if you guys agree. Let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you put also your codes, your discount codes below as well, because people might use them as well. Let's jump into the next one. So as you see on the side, most of you know my name already if you go onto my Instagram. But I've clicked the three lines or whatnot. And as you can see, what we're going to go into next is my portfolio or my profile. So if you see, I've got 1,700 blocks, 33 assets, holding about $119. My net worth is about $269. So now, when I first started, as I told you guys through my previous videos, my strategy for After Earth initially was to buy the resources, because that is what they told us. They're implementing the system at some point in the future where you can buy resources. Then after a while, I started to change, and I bought that which you see on the screen now, that white building, which is Native Lights. It's a casino in America. I don't remember what state it's in, but it's a casino. And of course, if they're going to keep the buildings, which they told us they're planning to do, I think a casino is going to be something which is going to be of high value and importance. So especially if you see anything on my profile that you guys like, make sure you drop me a little comment or something like that and let me know. And then lastly, let's get into the most important part, which is the withdrawals. The standard one that we had before, PayPal. Put your email address in, send your amount. Now we can actually withdraw into Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum just by simply, selecting the coin that you want, and then put the address, the link to your wallet address, as you see there on the screen now. Now, I think this is an amazing feature. I've been waiting for it to come out. Me personally, I don't know if I'm going to do it yet. I've looked at the fees on the side. Whether or not they're justifiable, we can discuss in a later video. As you know, I'm crypto jugging, so I'm very much into the cryptocurrency market space. But I guess we'll talk about it in a later video. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much what just happened so far. As you said, the most important thing is that withdrawals can now be made and taken out in cryptocurrency. So don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Big J.